Welcome to another tutorial video from Gradelink websites. In this video we're going to cover how you can change the name of a page in the menu without disrupting anything. Now there are a couple of ways that you can change a page name. One is to go to the page. So for example, we're on the activities page. Let's say we want to change that to student life. The first way is actually to head over to your website dashboard once you log in, and you can click on Appearance, Menus, and then select the menu you want to edit, which typically would be something that says Primary Menu or Navigation Menu, Main Menu, something like that. Click on Select to make sure you load up that menu, and then we can simply click on the little drop down arrow next to the page item on the menu that we wish to edit. So click on Activities. It'll show the original name of the page, and if I just want to change this without updating the URL or the page name, then I can call this Student Life. And my next step would simply be to click on the Save menu to save my changes. Then once that updates, then I can refresh the main page or website and make sure that that change has gone through. There we have it. Now it's called Student Life. But you'll notice that if I click on Student Life, it still says /activities. So one thing you might want to do is click on Edit Page here while you're on the page in question, and then you'll see that there is an activities, and then also the permalink still says activities. So this is the alternate method, and this will actually change the link of the page. So you can change the title to Student Life, and then we can change the URL by clicking on Edit and changing this to Activities or Student Life. So one thing I want to do is copy this URL because I want to set up a redirect, because anytime you change the permalink or the URL of a page, that means if somebody has it bookmarked or saved on their device and they try to access that same link later, unless you set up a redirect, it's actually going to show a 404 error page. So we don't want that. We'll just go ahead and rename this to Student Life, click OK, and click the blue update button. And then the other important piece is going to be to set up that redirect. So for the method that I showed you, option 1, where you just go to Appearance menu and you change the name of the tab there, that doesn't change the URL, and therefore you don't need to do the redirect. But if you do this way and you change the name of the page and the permalink, then you do need to do the redirect. So the page is now updated, and what I want to do is go to Rank Math SEO, and you should see a redirections option here. So hover over Rank Math SEO redirections, and we're just going to add a quick add new redirection. So the source URL is going to be the one that it was before, and the destination URL is going to be the new page URL that we put in. So student-life. So this way we're not going to lose anything that we had before. All the traffic's going to get redirected to that new page. So we can go ahead and test that. I'm going to paste in heritagechristianschool.com/activities, and we should see it redirect to Student Life. And that way nobody's going to hit a 404 error page. That's all there is to it. 2 options on how to change a tab name. If you want to change the page and URL, or just change the way it appears in the menu, you can choose which one works best for you. For additional tutorials or help, please reach out to Gradelink website support.